Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ryan Argenti.
Bone-chilling conditions outside. That's really going to be the theme for these next several days from today, getting into the first half of the weekend. For today, though, single-digit wind chills are on tap, but we could see some sub-zero wind chills in other areas, and then persistent Arctic air that's just going to be sitting overhead, or just lingering Arctic air. This has been the longest stretch, by the way, in years in terms of this cold air, and because of how cold it's becoming, we could be challenging some record lows these next couple of nights. But what we're also watching. A lot of folks have been asking this. I've personally gotten some text messages from some people like, hey, are you watching this weekend? Yes, we're watching this weekend. We're going to chat about that here in just a second. Coastal storm is possible, but the track is yet to be determined. We'll chat about that here in a minute. But let's talk about the cold weather conditions for this afternoon and into tonight. So we'll see some increasing clouds, but the single-digit wind chills, they'll be remaining. Air temperatures only getting to about 20 degrees. And then once we get into tonight, or excuse me, this evening, we'll see some of those clouds decrease, but still feeling brisk out there. Temperatures getting down towards 12 degrees, then bottoming out at 4 degrees overnight tonight under mostly clear conditions, with wind chills getting into the negatives, -5 to -15 degrees it will feel like for tonight. That's, again, this Arctic air that's just been sitting overhead. That's what's making it feel that way, and incorporate the wind into that. Now, temperatures into the mid-teens. We're 15 in Lancaster, Harrisburg, 14 in Lewistown, 19 in Gettysburg at this hour. You can see winds, they're not gusty, but you can still see it's a little bit of an increased breeze coming out of the west. You can see a 13-mile-per-hour breeze in Chambersburg, 10-mile-per-hour breeze in Lewistown, a 15-mile-per-hour breeze in Lancaster, but it's just that slight breeze in the air. That's what really makes it feel like the single digits, and in some spots feeling like 0 degrees in Lancaster, 8 degrees it feels like in Lebanon, feeling like 1 degree in Lewistown. And then once we get into later this afternoon into tonight, look at this, feeling like the negative single digits. Look at this, -4 it will feel like in Harrisburg, -10 it will feel like in Lancaster. So that's also why we have a cold weather advisory going in effect tonight, or I should say early tomorrow morning from 1 a.m. Thursday till 10 a.m. Thursday. So keep that in mind. And the reason why we're issuing these impact days is because of these wind chills, folks. If you spend a significant amount of time outdoors in this very cold weather, it's going to be, you could develop some frostbite on your skin, and also sustained winds out of the northwest between 5 and 15 miles per hour. It's definitely going to be making it feel a lot chillier out there, folks, so make sure you're bundling up. Storm Team Live Radar Network, precipitation-wise, not seeing much, but you can see the cloud layer. I overlaid the satellite imagery. That's starting to move through the Susquehanna Valley, and we'll continue to see that later as we go through the afternoon, but more so with the high-level clouds. Now, in terms of mid-level clouds, seeing some bubbling up, but overall looking at partly to mainly clear conditions once we get into tonight, also into tomorrow. That's all thanks to high pressure that's building in, and it will continue to build. Now, let's chat about this weekend. I'm going to show you a couple of model runs. So this is what we're looking at. This is the European model. So it keeps the system down towards the coast, but look where it's headed. Out to sea. Look at this. The snow bands don't even make it towards Pennsylvania or towards the Susquehanna Valley. Continues to go out to sea. Here's the American model. That's going to continue to go out to sea. You can see some bands make it into New Jersey, but look at this. The center of that low pressure is going out to sea. This is what we're watching as we go through the next several days, and we're going to continue to pinpoint the exact track and the totals if it even gets close enough for impacts. Right now, it is a low chance of precipitation once we get into the weekend. So impact period from Wednesday through Saturday. That's for the brisk and frigid chills, by the way, up until Saturday. Still going to be watching the coast, though. Looking ahead into next week, finally getting to that freezing mark, folks, but still remaining cold as we head into Groundhog Week.